What's up, guys? Today I'm excited to show you how I'm fighting my acne. I started this treatment 1 week ago and I had acne all over my cheeks and they're gone. The only that I have left are on my forehead. If you're interested, keep on watching. Before we even start, make sure you give that video a big thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. But who am I to even tell you to subscribe to my channel? My name is Jova and I love natural remedies for glowy skin, radiant skin, but also for beautiful and natural hair. So if you're interested, just stay tuned because there's a lot of things coming soon. To 2 tablespoons of ground coffee, you can add 1 tablespoon of honey. It's a cleansing agent and it has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. And then you can add 1 tablespoon of nutmeg. Nutmeg is known to fight inflammation and infection on the skin. And 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder actually kills bacteria that are causing acne. And 1 tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice, or just a little bit. It helps. It has antioxidant properties. And then it's optional. You can add some orange essential oil. Once your scrub is ready to apply it to your face, you're gonna wet your face and then you're gonna apply it. You're gonna apply it on circular motion, and you have to be careful with your skin because especially the skin of your face is really sensitive. You can focus on the affected area, so it's gonna give you a sensation of burning. It means that the treatment is doing its job. Don't make this treatment every day so you don't irritate your skin. For a face mask, you're gonna need 1 tablespoon of nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Once your scrub is ready, you can apply it to your face, let it dry for 30 minutes, and you can do that every day for 2 weeks. I'm planning on doing it for another week and show you the final result. But it's already getting rid of all my acne and I love the consistency. You're gonna feel a burning sensation all over your face once you apply it, but don't worry, it means that it's working. For 15 minutes, for the next 15 minutes, you're gonna feel that sensation. These treatments I'm giving you are very powerful. They work for me. And make sure you know what's giving you these acne before you start any treatment, and along the way check if it's working for you. That's it for today. Thank you for stopping by and see you soon for another video on how I'm treating my acne naturally and for the final result. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up, and see you soon.